If you encounter billing errors on Amazon Pay, follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Review your account information. Check your Amazon Pay account to ensure that all your billing information, including your payment method and billing address, is accurate and up to date. Step 2. Check transaction history. Look through your transaction history to identify any discrepancies or unauthorized charges. This will help you pinpoint the source of the billing error. Step 3. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the icon link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Follow up on your requests. After contacting support, keep track of your request. Follow up if you do not receive a response within the expected time frame to ensure your issue is being addressed. Step 5. Monitor future transactions. Once the issue is resolved, monitor your future transactions closely to ensure that no further billing errors occur. This will help you catch any issues early on. By following these steps, you can effectively fix billing errors on Amazon Pay and ensure a smoother transaction experience in the future.